another controversy struck IPL last night when two of its players were reported to have been among the 100 detained in a rave party in a hotel in Juhu. Media reports claim that both the players belong to the Pune Warriors team of IPL. Among those picked up were 38 girls and 58 boys. Police also seized 100 grams of cocaine from the hotel. Police has arrested the organization of the party, Vishay Handa. He was arrested under the Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act. Handa is the director of the hotel where the party was organized.
The police seized 110 grams of cocaine and drugs like ecstasy from the party venue, and among the detained were a large number of celebrity children, people connected to the film industry and some foreigners.
जो 58 young men and 38 young girls और जिनके ब्लड और यूरिन सैंपल्स पॉजिटिव आएंगे, उनके खिलाफ कंजम्पशन की कार्रवाई होगी. जो स्टफ मिला है वो वहाँ मैक्सिमम रेड होने के बाद दैट वाज शोन. तो इसमें कौन पेडलर थे, किसने पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की, ये पूरा प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद आपको डिटेल दिए जाएंगे.
कितना स्टॉक था और पार्टी किसकी टीम से?
अप्रोक्सीमेटली 110 ग्राम के आसपास कोकेन का क्वांटिटी प्राइमा फेसी है.
Organizer of the rave party in Mumbai, Vishay Handa, has been sent to police custody. Vishay Handa is to remain in police custody till the 25th of this month. The party organizer, Vishay Handa, was arrested by the Juhu police under the NDPS Act. That's the latest that we're getting to you right now. Vishay Handa, who owns the Oakwood Hotel where the rave party was taking place, has been arrested. He's been remanded to police custody till the 25th.
Now is the director of the hotel. He is arrested for allowing his premises knowingly. He is giving some statement. On the basis of that, we may arrest some more. The blood and urine samples, once we get the report, we will summon all those who will test positive. The consumption, we have specifically asked for cannabis, cocaine, MDMA and ecstasy.
वैसे ही गए बच्चे जिदा हुण मुंडे दोस्त नाल ले ही जांदे आ वो तो जांदा ही नहीं किसी पार्टियां ते ਇੱਥੇ भी आवे कभी गया ही नहीं किसी ਨਾਲ
देखा उस पार्टी में
हाँ वो ले गया बच्चे ਹੁਣ ਵੀ देखो कोई बच्चा ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਨਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫਿਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਬੱਚਾ ठीक ठाक है बाकी बच्चा बच्चियां ਜਾਂਦਾ ही है बाकी ये थोड़ा कोई गलत बात नहीं है कोई भी.
जब पुलिस अंदर गए तो कम से कम 35 से 40 लोग को अंदर से बाहर लेकर छापा मारा. फिर सब लोग को लेके गए वैन में पुलिस स्टेशन में. अभी उनका पता करेंगे कि क्या है. उन्होंने उनका जो सामान था नशीला सामान वो भी सब जब्त कर दिया है.
We are there since 7 o'clock. They have come there. They've taken us to the hospital. There is nothing which is organized. A lot of times cops come to take the DJs away. So I was actually standing out watching the match. I saw the cops inside. I just came inside to see what's wrong. I thought they have come to pick the DJs, and I was just telling my friends, let's leave. And they've just blocked the door. They didn't allow to go out. So many sundown parties happen here. It's not something which has happened wrong. So I don't really know what point was being proved, but it's very bad.
आईपीएल को आपको ब्लेम करना नहीं चाहिए. आईपीएल को इसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. अगर एक इंसान कुछ करना चाहता है तो उसमें आईपीएल को क्यों लाने की जरूरत है.
He is only director and the business being conducted by another company, and he was not involved. He just went to see the place, and they have arrested about 100 people. They left all of them except him, being the owner, not the owner, being only a director of the company. There was nothing they could find from me. Whoever comes with a drug, it is upon them. It cannot be to the accused white side.
नहीं, मैंने तो पता नहीं अभी तक, क्योंकि मेरे फैमिली बहुत ट्रस्ट करते हैं मेरे को. सब पाजी मेरे को काफ़ी देर से जानते हैं. जब बचपन से क्रिकेट शुरू किया मैंने, तो मैं अपने बड़े वर्क हार्ड से ऊपर आया हूँ और हमेशा वर्क हार्ड करता रहूँगा. इंडिया के लिए खेलना है अपना इतना लंबा. तो अगर सैंपल अभी दिए हैं अगर टेस्ट में, तो कुछ गलत आता तो मैं क्विट कर दूंगा क्रिकेट.
I think we entered the venue around 6:20, 6:25, and the party got busted at around 7 o'clock, broad daylight. So our initial reaction was probably they're just doing a routine checkup, and the cops would be probably out in half an hour, 45 minutes. But then later on, we were told that they're going to stick around and they're going to investigate and they're going to look for stuff. So, but from there the ordeal began. Then we were with them for 12 hours. The initial 2-3 hours we all were just sitting there. Girls and guys were segregated, different lines, and then we were told that we'll be heading to various hospitals for a urine test and blood samples. We sort of did the needful. Yeah, the entire night we were awake. I was away from my wife, and we sort of got together in the morning. Yeah.